Follow me when I read the Dogman and Cat Cave book. Chapter 5, The Dogman.
Enough is enough. I've had it with these doggone crimes with the doggone city. Get me to the Dogman. I'm ready to roll. Here I am, Chief. I'm ready to roll. Whoops. Cut. Hey! You're supposed to be guarding your caprice, not sleeping on the set. You made me ding dong but goo trip fall down. Yeah. You owe him an apology. Yeah. Lick, lick, lick. He licked the inside of my mouth. I've had it with these doggone dog-headed cops in this doggone Dogman movie. Dogman, you're fired. Those are succeed. What's going on?
This Dogman has been messing up this movie all day. Like the big romance scene.
Dogman, I think I've all in it. Sniff, sniff. Chomp. Cut. Then he ruined the big dramatic scheme. Don't you die on me! Don't you die on me!
Come on.
P.U. Who cut?
Who sneaked a one-cheek squeak? Who popped a fluffy? Who pinched a stank monkey? Who blew the brown bogles out? Cut! And then he ruined Petey's big scene. Hey, I shall destroy the... Hey! Triple Flipperama. Skip it. Bad doggy! Go home, Dogman. We have too many problems, and one more bad happens. I'll have to shut this whole movie down. Love you, bye.
For more videos, don't forget to subscribe.